We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT with CarPlay. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for the ChatGPT app. Download and install it if you haven't already. Once installed, go to your iPhone's settings, scroll down to CarPlay, and tap on it. Make sure your vehicle is listed and connected under the My Cars section. If not, you may need to pair your iPhone with your car using Bluetooth. Now, launch the ChatGPT app on your iPhone. You'll need to log in with your OpenAI account if you haven't done so before. Once logged in, go to the app's settings and ensure that CarPlay integration is enabled. This will allow the app to be accessible via CarPlay. Now, head to your car and make sure your iPhone is connected via USB or Bluetooth, depending on your vehicle's CarPlay setup. On the CarPlay home screen, you'll see the ChatGPT app icon. Tap on it to open. You can now use voice commands to interact with ChatGPT. Simply press and hold the voice command button on your steering wheel or CarPlay screen, and say your question or request. ChatGPT will process your input and provide responses directly through your car's audio system. It's that easy. This setup allows you to enjoy AI assistance hands-free while driving, making your trips more productive and enjoyable. Remember, safety first. Always keep your eyes on the road and use voice commands whenever possible. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.